Welcome to the ribbon cutting for this state-of-the-art semiconductor materials manufacturing site.
Today is a great milestone not only for JX Advanced Metal USA, but also a Japanese company, Advanced Metal Group.
Our company is now number one in semiconductor sputtering targets, which is essential for the semiconductor industry. We're servicing the USA, all of North America, and then also all of Europe.
It's actually hard for me to believe that it's been 2.5 years since we actually announced the official of this site here.
Why we stick to Arizona? Because since this area must become more important as a semiconductor base, not only for the United States, but also the entire world.
JX's new plant represents an exciting expansion for both the company and Arizona. The Mesa plant will be central to meeting the rising demand for sputtering targets, which are essential for semiconductor manufacturing and essential to our semiconductor ecosystem here in Arizona.
We're creating partnerships, bringing companies like you in that support other industries in the Valley, focused on advanced manufacturing, education, so that you have the educated workforce you need.
All part of the equation to create what we think is a place that is without rival in the United States for one of the best places to start and expand a business. And we are so, again, flattered that you have joined us here.
We promise to keep achieving the #1 CS station among the industry. We wish for the local community to grow and prosper along with our new Mesa plant.